Today's date is April 8th, 2024, and so that's the chip the snowplow put on the window, and this is the side view mirror. So I got it's just kind of floating around here. So I got the cover right here. I'm going to pop on there, but I'm going to put JB weld in there to hold it in position. So that's I was going to looking for some tape, and you guys already saw all this damage. But what I'm going to do is mix up some JB weld, and then get on the road. Okay, well, I'm mixing up some JB weld here, trying to hold the camera, and we're right in the middle of our solar eclipse. So I mixed up quite a bit here. I'm gonna let that begin setting up, and then
So your turn to deal with them, huh?
we don't have any insurance.
They still never paid me.
Yeah, they said that we don't have any insurance here now either.
What do you mean?
We don't have any, for the association. So this isn't going to be covered regardless.
What?
Yeah.
Who told you that?
I just went down there to show them, my claim.
Yeah.
So now.
So what? They're paying their people too much to where they can't have insurance?
No, they dropped us after last year. Dropped us after
well,
Snowmageddon.
What I would say is, okay, don't bill me for however many years it's going to take to get that off.
Yeah, something, but we're all shareholders, so no matter how, we all get screwed,
Oh yeah, but I mean, which one was it?
The truck,
or what guy was it?
Oh, I don't know if it was Steve or there was some other new guy in there. It went off the edge. You can see where it caved it in there. So I'm doing a temporary fix right here.
Yeah.
The
well, let me know if you go to the meeting, because I'm gonna tell them, like, hey, you guys still owe me like almost $3,000 for my trailer.
Yeah.
Getting, they ran into it with the plow, back into it.
Well, I don't want to put this on my insurance,
No.
Dang. So, now we don't have fire insurance and, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
The
Well, their vehicles are supposed to have insurance, so I don't know what that means. That doesn't.
Well, the insurance company, after they paid everybody off, said that they're not going to renew their coverage. So I'm just hoping this I'm going to be out working on my jets, so
Yeah.
I'm going to be leaving here in a few minutes.
Well, luckily those little side mirrors, those aren't too bad. You
No.
can get car ID for, like, I don't know, the one for my F1, my F250, it was
Oh, that's right, you lost
$100?
yours too.
Yeah, it was about $100. Took me about 30 minutes, 40 minutes to install. But still, they haven't fit. What, just because the company doesn't have insurance doesn't mean they shouldn't have automobile insurance.
Well, for the association, it's the association insurance. See, I don't want to put it on mine,
No, you should put it on theirs.
Well,
So who's driving around with a vehicle with no insurance?
nobody. I don't know. So you're
The person
right.
that hit you, they have car insurance.
Oh yeah, that would be it, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it's not the association. It's like, no, You guys drive this out on the highway, you drive it within the streets.
You're right.
Where's your
you're
car
right.
insurance? Give me your car insurance.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Like,
Yeah. Makes sense, doesn't it? I didn't, because the damage they did last year was all under,
under probably an umbrella of
Yeah,
some
yeah.
sort.
So
whatever.
maybe they were saying that they don't have any.
Well, we'll fuck them if that's the case. If they don't
Yeah.
have car insurance,
Yeah,
that's
we'll have.
insane. I don't know what the hell they're billing me for every damn quarter.
So this is part of what's going on up here in the mountains. Well, I got it stuck on there. This popped off. There won't be any breakaway there. Here's a chunk that came off, but anyway, I was able to get it stuck on there. We'll see how it works on the freeway. So that's the repair video. I'm done with that for the moment.